Explain two disadvantages of BCD in comparison to binary number system. So BCD is binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal, and sorry, in this kind of a system, we represent decimal numbers using binary but in 4 bits. So despite that we have some advantages for it, we have some disadvantages whereby the BCD in this question we are comparing it with the binary number system. So the first disadvantage is complexity in arithmetic operations. So when you consider BCD numbers in comparison with binary numbers, you find that when doing arithmetic operations such as multiplication, addition, subtraction, and multiplication, and also then division, BCD numbers are more complex and slower compared to binary numbers. Then number 2 is inefficiency in storage and representation. So in this, BCD requires more storage space compared to binary representation for the same range of numbers. In BCD, each decimal digit is represented by a 4-digit binary code, resulting into a wastage of space. For example, if it is 2, in binary 2 can be written as 1 0, but in BCD 2 will be coded in 4 bits like that, meaning this will occupy more space than this simple binary number. So that is why we are saying we have an efficiency in storage and representation. Then the other point is limited range of representation, and BCD has limited range of representation compared to binary. That is, in BCD, each decimal digit is represented by a 4-bit binary code, allowing for representation of decimal numbers from 0 to 9. So in BCD, in this point, simply we are saying that we can only represent numbers from 0 to 9 using the BCD. Then the other disadvantage, we have complexity in conversion and interfacing. So BCD often requires conversion between BCD and binary representations for compatibility with binary number, that is binary based systems such as processors and memory. These conversions add complexity and overhead to the system. So while we need to use BCD in any system, you have to convert it to binaries, and that can be a complex process. So we normally have those disadvantages whereby we have complexity in arithmetic operations, we have the inefficiency in storage and representation, we have the limited range of representation, and we have the complexity in conversion and interfacing.